Hello everyone, how to tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Picify AI Art Editor application. So after opening this app in initial stage, you can see here you have to choose the language. There are 5 languages available, so I'm just give the English and swap your face. You can see here next, and enhance your photo quality in one tap, and next get started. So you have to was add. So here you can see this is the result. You'll get here some ready-made template, top app, and avatar, tattoo, festival, latex. So this is the AI photo, and you should tap here AI tools. So you can see enhance, remove object. You can remove objects. So I'm just going to tap on that right now. So enhance, get started now. So okay, I just allow all, and you can see here and there are okay. I just give this one. So how it looks like, you can see crop your image. You can choose the ratio here and tap here the right arrow. So was add and pro enhance, so you need to was add to get your enhanced photos in every photos. So I'm just going to tap enhance because I'm the free user. If you want to get pro user, then you can buy this premium subscription. So I'm just going to tap on the enhance. So I just was the ads. So now it's processing and enhancing the photos. We need to wait to get the result. So you can see like it's the it's the before picture. Okay, this picture also got in before, and if you want to see the next, you can see the different. So and you can adjustment also tap here, and you can increase the saturation, contrast, brightness, tint. So it's really simple. Once you're done, you can tap on the download photos, but the watermark is here, and also there is a filter here. So you can use this app. So lost it because I don't want to see the. And you can also get the remove object and AI photo. Like here you can see, you can, it's a pro version. Okay, if you want to see yourself, you can try it here, and this is nice photos. Also you can choose, it's really simple. So I hope this video is helpful. So today's no more, and see you in the next video.